Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to ban someone from your Facebook business page. This is particularly useful when you need to remove followers who are posting inappropriate content, spamming your page, or violating your community guidelines. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Once you're there, log in using your Facebook business account credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Facebook homepage. Take a moment to look at the left navigation menu where you'll find various shortcuts and options. From here, locate and click on your Facebook business page, which should be listed under your shortcuts section. This will take you directly to your page's management area. Once you've clicked on your business page, you'll be redirected to your Facebook management page. This is your central hub for controlling all aspects of your business presence on Facebook. Now, direct your attention to the top part of the screen where you'll see the Action menu. This menu contains several important options for managing your page. From these options, click on Followers. This section is crucial as it gives you complete visibility and control over who's following your business page. After clicking on Followers, you'll be taken to the Followers page where you can see a comprehensive list of all the profiles that currently follow your Facebook business page. This list shows everyone who has chosen to follow your content and receive updates from your business. Now comes the important part. Browse through the list and locate the specific follower you wish to ban from your page. Once you've identified them, click on the three-dot icon that appears next to their profile. This icon represents additional actions you can take regarding that follower. When you click the three dots, a small window will pop up displaying several options for managing that particular follower. From this list of options, click on Block. This action initiates the banning process. After clicking Block, a confirmation window will appear on your screen. This window is designed to ensure you're certain about your decision before proceeding. Within this confirmation window, you'll see the option to ban this specific follower from your Facebook business page permanently. Take a moment to review your decision, and when you're ready, click on Confirm to finalize the process. Once confirmed, that user will no longer be able to interact with or follow your business page. And there you have it. You've successfully banned a follower from your Facebook business page, helping you maintain a positive and professional environment for your community. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.